Hey guys, I really want to talk to you about this app that I just started using. It's called Ling. It's right here with the little monkey. Press on it. It's a language app to help you learn any language that you want to learn, and I've been using it for a couple days and I like it. It has like fun mini games and quizzes to help you master any language that you choose. I chose Japanese, of course, but you can choose anything. It has Japanese, it says Africans, I don't know, Albanian, Arabic, Armenian, Bengali, Bosnian. It has so many different types of languages that you can learn. Isn't that great? Like, I like it. It's different. It's not like, it's even more fun than Rosetta Stone, and I really like that. It makes it fun. And they have like a chat bot, try to say that 5 times fast, a chat bot that speaks back to you. And then if it teaches you a phrase, you can press this button that it would like say it very slowly so you can get every single thing. It's so, let me press on something. It's telling me.
私は女性だ。
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 And if you need her to slow down, you press the snail button.
私は女性だ。
私は女性だ。I am a woman. 女性。
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 Like, she says it slow for you, and you can
男
continue.
性。あなたは男性だ。
男性。あなたは男性だ。あなたは男性だ。
あなたは男性だ。男性。
男性。あなたは男性だ。男性だ。And you can put it.
あなたは男性だ。
男性だ。
男性。
Like, it slows it down for you. And it says a woman, and you choose which one says woman. Onanako is girl. Otokonoko is man. Right? Dansei. I think just say Otokonoko. I think that's boy, right? That's little boy or boy, and that's man. Otokonoko.
女の子。彼女は女の子だ。
女の子。
女の子。女の子。
And they help you say it. They help you pronounce every single word, and I like it. And it's not like Rosetta Stone. I have a problem trying to understand Rosetta Stone, and this is like, I think this is like a new app, and you can get like the premium package, and you can like switch out the languages that you want to learn. You can learn as much as you want. I think it's just an annual price. We'll get to that in a minute. 彼女は女の子だ。
彼女は女の子だ。彼女は女の子だ。
It sounds funny, but it helps me learn even more. A man. 男性。
男性。
And it has these little games, and it says match these cards. And Otokonoko is boy. It's like a matching game. Dansei is man. Onnanoko is girl.
男の子。彼は男の子だ。
男の子。彼は男の子だ。And pronouns, it's just really cool. So, 女の子。
女の子。
女性 woman. 女の子 girl. 男の子 boy.
男の子。
男の子. And this part, it shows you the sentence, and you have to like put it in English, which is really cool. And it says Watashi wa josei da. I am a woman. So we're gonna I am what I am is, oh Lord. I am a woman. Amazing, you're doing a great job. Why, thank you, kind sir. Kanojo wa onanako da. She is a girl. So this is helping me way better than Rosetta Stone because they make it real fun. It seems very accurate. And let's see what else. No. I have to finish. Let's finish these. He's a boy. I don't know the characters yet. Oh my gosh, I was not paying attention to these. We're gonna have to come back to that later. Yes. They gave me the premium. Where is it? Okay, this is so much weirder than my computer because I was on my computer. And since it's not working on my computer, this sucks. I have the premium account. It's not letting me press on it. That's great. That's awesome. I'm trying to show you the different packages, but it won't allow me. They have a pro and a premium, and they have the chatbot. Let's look what the chatbot is, because I'm still learning about this app and I love it so far. I've been using it. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. おはようございます。
You can choose which one you want. Like it tells you can choose konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Or you can be like ohayo gozaimasu.
おはようございます。
And
Konnichiwa.
I'm gonna send, or you can say it too, I believe. Like, let me push it. I think you can say it right here. Yes. Konnichiwa.
元気ですか?
Genki desu. Oh, that is so cool! Dude, focus! Dude, it helps you, like, it gives you somebody to talk to. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. I haven't used this part of the app before. That is insane. That is so cool. I'm going to be using this more often so I can, like, practice talking to somebody instead of trying to find somebody on an app or exchange languages. Like, I don't like to try to teach people English and they want you to, like, I want to just speak Japanese to somebody, and then on the app people be like, can you teach me English, and then I teach you Japanese. And I was like, I really don't want to do that, because all I'm trying to do is learn Japanese on my own, and I'm looking for a teacher, not exchange languages. So this is pretty cool to do on your own, and if you don't want to be in those situations where somebody wants you to teach them English, like in trade for I teach you Japanese type of situation, this is perfect. And I want to thank this company for sponsoring this video. They gave me the premium to try out for 60 days, and if I don't like it, well, I just don't like it. But so far I love it, and I just can't. Oh my gosh, this is like this is my favorite part of this freaking app, because I get to speak back to them. And let's get out of there. Let's get out of this. And they have places and restaurant and coffee shop numbers and family. You have different topics to talk about, and it's really cool. I love this app, and I'll just, oh my gosh, thank you, Ling, for sponsoring this video, for allowing me to try this app, and it's amazing, and I'm going to continue to use it, and I'm going to see how my Japanese is in the next 60 days, because I think I can do it. I think I can somewhat be at a conversational level in 60 days if I do it every single day. I want to try to get the premium, like the prices for you guys, and I should have done my research on this app before I started this video, but I didn't, because I just didn't. Let's see. Let's go back. It doesn't say about us. Let's go to the App Store. It might tell me the prices in the App Store. I've seen the prices, but woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, the lifetime learning package is $109.99. The monthly package is $10.99. The premium is $48.99, and that's annually. That's for a whole year is $50, which is not bad. I might just, that's the one I got. I got the premium for $50, but they sponsoring these videos, so it's actually free for me. And if I really like it, I'm going to get the lifetime one. I'm definitely going to get it. Yeah, this is so cool, and I want to just share it with you guys. If you really want to try this, I would put the link down below so you can try it. It's really fun, and comment down below and tell me how you like it and how fun it is, because I think it's really fun, and it's even better than Rosetta Stone. And yeah, here it goes. These are the offers. These are the packages. Monthly is $8.99, yearly is $41.99, and lifetime is like $109.99, which is not bad, because I spent $200 on Rosetta Stone. So this is actually cheaper and more fun than Rosetta Stone. Oh, I have an update. I hope it doesn't mess up my premium package. Let's see. Ling! I told you it's like really different than the one. I still have it. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching, and go give it a try. Hit the link down below, and please check it out. It's so much fun. Now I'm really in the mood to learn some Japanese. And I really need to.
あなたの家族は何人いるのですか?
Nani? Oh. What? Alright, I'm going. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you, and leave a like, subscribe. Yay! Click the link. Look at my finger. Why is it so big? Okay. Thanks, guys. Peace.